here's the culmination of 5 months worth of work. And we're going to record what this thing sounds like. So just to recap, we've got Seymour Duncan SH59s. We've got a red oak body, mahogany neck with rosewood fingerboard, regular single action truss rod, nothing funny there. ABR style bridge, acrylic black pick guard with Hoagland custom wiring underneath, vintage forge witch hat knobs, Grover tuners for now, although I do have those locking style tuners that have the vintage end on them. I might switch over to that, but Grover tuners on there for now. And we're going to be playing into a Soldano style plugin. That's just my preferred sound, so that's what I'm going to be using. All right, let's check it out. Just some final thoughts. I'm impressed. I'm impressed with myself that I actually did it. I think it sounds pretty good. For the money that I have invested in this, I probably could have bought an Epiphone of much higher quality. Probably not a Gibson, but probably an Epiphone. Sitting down with a foot block is pretty comfortable, more comfortable than you think, because the bottom of the V kind of rests against the inside of the leg. If you play like classical style with it in the middle of your lap, if you're playing kind of off to the side, it's just going to want to drop constantly. But then also standing up, I noticed that it really wanted to like kick out all the time instead of hang straight. That was kind of unexpected. I don't think I would ever play this guitar live. It was just kind of a fun project for me. And now that it's done, I've got that second body blank that I probably could do something with. The template is for a 25.5-inch scale, so think Fender. So I could put a higher quality neck on there that came off of like a Fender parts caster or something that probably would be a higher quality than what this is. But so far it plays good. I'm nervous that structurally this probably isn't as hard as it should be. But overall, this has been a fun project, and if you've watched the build progress of this guitar, including this video, I appreciate it. I love the fact that, you know, people are checking in and staying up to date. Overall, I'm pretty happy. Sure, there's things that I would do differently, but overall, for like my first guitar build ever, I mean, come on. It doesn't get much better than that. Thanks.